Добрый день, дорогие участники Олимпиады, почетные гости, уважаемое жюри, организаторы. Үтө күнүнен күндү Олимпиада кыттылактары. Ыңырылак кылжыттар, үрдүк жүүлүр сүбө. Let us begin the closing ceremony of the 28th International A record number of school students, 225 students from 7 countries and 7 regions of Russia. Traditionally, the days of the Olympiad become a certain school for the development of creative potential, the birth of bold ideas for the participants, discovering new names for the Olympiad movement. Today, we are going to take stock of one of the most significant events in the international Olympic movement. Allow me to give the floor to the principal of the Sakha Junior Science Academy, Dr. Vasily Pavlov.
Dear participants of the Tuymade International Olympiad for Maths, Physics and Informatics, I am the Dr. Vasily Pavlov, head of the Sakha Junior Science Academy, which is the host organization for the ITO 2021. I am very happy today to welcome you again to the land of Tuymade, and I have to say that these few days already come to the finishing lines, and the Olympiad, which has been going on for 28 years, have attracted more than 4,000 students from all over the world. And now, with this year, we have a record number of participants, which is 250 students from 7 countries and 7 regions of Russia. Also, the program of the Tuymade Olympiad also expanded. We had many virtual events, and I believe that it was quite interesting, and I hope that everything that you have learned in it will be of quite use to you. And I have to say that Tuymade Olympiad is a hallmark of the Yakutian educational system, and I do believe that we will carry on and we keep on going with this Olympiad for the foreseeable future, and I hope that to expand it into a much higher levels. And I also happy to announce that the year 2022 will be the year when we're going to have, by the virtue of the invitation of the government of Sakha-Yakutia, the Yakutia International Science Games, and the ITO 2022 will be part of it. So I duly welcome all of you for the next year Tuymade Olympiad as a part of and a parcel of the International Science Games for 2022. And on behalf of the International Tuymade Olympiad Organizing Committee, I would like to thank, first of all, parents and the teachers, all the coaches, etc., who actually helped very much to keep up the level of competitions, and also for their unwavering and unfailing support for their participants, so they can keep on trying to enjoy the intellectual pleasures that usually Olympiads bring. And also I would like to thank all the esteemed members of the jury, the people who are very much interested and keep these Olympiads going in a very high international level, for the compositors who actually made this task, and also for the jury members who were checking up the task results, etc. So as the organizers of this Olympiad ask me, I would like to wish you all the goodness and happiness, and all the best for you. Thank you very much for coming and taking part in this Olympiad. Thank you very much.
Прошла она, ума отрада. Виват, виват, Олимпиада! Сегодня вместе мы опять, чтоб победителей назвать. We have gathered here today to announce the winners of the Olympiad. Начинаем церемонию награждения победителей и призеров по информатике. We are starting the ceremony of awarding the winners and prize winners in informatics. Honorable mentions. The third degree diploma. The second degree diploma. The first degree diploma. Congratulations to the winners and prize winners of the Tuimade Olympiad on Informatics. Let me invite Dr. Natalia Nikolaeva, Chairperson of the Informatics Jury, Head of the Department of Information Technologies, Institute of Mathematics and Informatics, Northeastern Federal University.
Dear participants, members of the jury and organizing committee, congratulations on the ending of the Olympiad Tuimade. In these 2 days, participants in informatics had been solving 10 difficult problems. Let me congratulate those who greatly performed, and soon you all will learn their names. Traditionally very strong Romanian teams and the representative of Singapore and many participants from Kazakhstan did very well. I wish the rest of the participants to train hard and achieve similarly high results in the future.
Just wanted to congratulate everybody for putting such a great effort into this competition, for all those 10 tasks. A large effort on the side of the committee, but also I have a full appreciation to all contestants who fought well with all problems. So this is my congratulation message to all of you, and I wish you all good luck in the future.
We start the award ceremony for the winners and prize winners on physics. Olympiad winners and prize winners on physics. Now let me give the floor on behalf of the physics jury, Dr. Yefim Neustroyev, Chair of the Radio Physics and Electronics of the Physics and Technical Institute of the Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Вот и завершилась международная олимпиада по физике. В этом году принимало участие в старшей лиге 41 участник и 36 участников в младшей лиге из 7 государств, таких как Румыния, Казахстан, Сингапур, Болгария, ну и так далее. Ну, наиболее сильные участники традиционно у нас бывают из Румынии и Казахстана. И в этом году они подтвердили свой высокий уровень. Ну и также сильные ребята есть у нас из регионов России, таких как Новосибирск, Мордовия, Приморье, ну и ребята из Республики Саха-Якутия тоже в этом году хорошо выступили.
We begin the award ceremony of the winners and prize winners in mathematics, the Junior League, the special prizes, honorable mentions, the third degree diploma, the second degree diploma, the first degree diploma, the Senior League, the honorable mentions, the special prizes, the third degree diploma, the second degree diploma, the first degree diploma, the Senior League absolute winner of the Twimada Olympiad in mathematics. Congratulations to the Twimada Olympiad winners and prize winners. Let me give the floor to the chairman of the mathematics jury, Dr. Yevgeny Sharin, an assistant professor of the Mathematics Analysis Department of the Institute for Mathematics and Informatics of the Amosov Northeastern Federal University.
Hi, I'm glad to see everyone at the closing ceremony of the Twimada International Olympiad. This year, as always, our Olympiad was very interesting and bright. I want to thank my dear colleagues Alexander Golovanov, Konstantin Kokhas, Nadezhda Vlasova and Professor Sergei Popov for very interesting and sometimes very difficult problems. I want to thank all team leaders and participants who took part this year at our Olympiad. And next year we will wait all juniors this year and new participants. I know that Olympiad is a competition of the winners, but never losers.
And now we give the floor to the Deputy Minister of the Ministry of Education and Science of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, Professor Mikhail Prisyazhny.
On behalf of the Ministry of Education and Science of Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, I congratulate all of you with successful compliance of the 28th International Tuimada Olympiad. It's a very special event which has a long history in the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia. I would like to say thank you from our Minister of Education and Science, Mikhail Sivtsev, to all the participants, to your families, to all the organizers, to the jury members, to our official partners, to all of the people who made possible this event this year. Our traditional Tuimada Olympiad again gathered many people in the valley of Tuimada, of the great Siberian river Lena. Thank you very much. I hope that this days was not only participation in our event, it also was a days of your conversation with representatives from many different regions and countries. And I really hope that you got a new knowledge in your favorite school subjects, in mathematics, in physics and computer science. I wish you all the best in your life. So, the 28th International Tuimada Olympiad is closed.
The badge for devotion to the Olympiad movement is awarded to members of the jury and organizers of the International Olympiad Tuimada. Nadezhda Yuryevna Vlasova, a member of the mathematics jury since 2018. Anatoly Petrovich Kolodeznikov, a member of the jury in physics since the year 2000. Artyom Tarasovich Vasilyev, a member of the International Olympiad Tuimada jury in computer science since 2017. Nurguyana Leonidovna Makarova, an organizer of the International Olympiad Tuimada. Irina Valerievna Antonova, an organizer of the International Olympiad Tuimada. For the contribution to the development of the system for identifying and supporting gifted children in Yakutia, to award a letter of gratitude from the Ministry of Education and Science of the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia, to members of the jury of the Olympiad in Mathematics, Physics and Informatics in 2021, and the organizers of the International Olympiad for School Children Tuimada in Mathematics, Physics and Informatics. The 28th International Tuimada Olympiad draws to its closing, taking with it all the anxieties and stresses of the participants. New bright names have appeared, which now written down on the annals of history of this Olympiad. Congratulate each other and wish wellness, happiness, joy, health and further success. Dear friends, until we meet again at the International Tuimada Olympiad 2022.